For change the battery for K for BMW X3, you need to take the integrated key out of the remote control. This, push and catch with the key, and remove the cover of the battery compartment. And insert our battery of the same type with the positive side facing upward. Press the cover closed like this. Yes, like this. It's really easy way to change the battery. Yes. Take the used battery to a recycling center or to your service center. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and click sure. Thank you guys, thank you for watching my video. See you to next video. Goodbye.